Hey, it's Fred, the submarine guy here. Today we're going to talk about a product that you need to look at. It's called Done For You Funnels, and I'm going to give you a review of it so you'll know what it is. And I've got a mega bonus that you're going to love. This is what you've been looking for it to be successful in online marketing. So let's go. First of all, there's three big hurdles in online marketing. Number one, and I know you're familiar with this and have this problem all the time because people talk to me about this all the time, and that's building your list. You need to spend months and ridiculous amounts of money on hunting for valuable lead magnets, getting a domain, hosting, setting up your squeeze pages, thank you pages, connecting up your autoresponder, sending traffic, all that kind of stuff. And I know that's stopping a lot of you from having success in online marketing. Number two hurdle is you got to nurture your leads. This is to make them know, like, and trust you so that you can make a sale. And you're going to need to hire a copywriter. Now, I've got a good copywriting course for you if you want it to provide you with high converting engagement emails. And that will help build confidence and trust by engaging your subscribers and providing you more value. But this is another thing that's stopping people because they don't understand the copywriting skills that are needed. And plus, since they're not building their list, they don't have anybody to nurture along to get them to know, like, and trust you more. But that's one of the things that all the professionals do is nurture their leads, getting them to know, like, and trust you better so that you can eventually make the sale. So number three, what's the third big hurdle, is monetizing these leads. Now you may have one product or maybe one MLM or something like that, but you've got to really research and scout around for sellable products that will convert to your list that you can promote. And then you got to create bonuses as an incentive to purchase from your affiliate link. So there's more technical things you got to do here. So those three hurdles are things that stop most people. But there's a big solution now that Done For You Lead Funnel, that's the name of the product, comes in with, which has three tools. Number one, a lead generator. Number two, lead nurturing. And number three, lead monetization. Remember those three problems we talked about? All three are solved by Done For You Lead Funnel. Let's see how they do that. First of all, the lead generator, you pick and choose from a fully customizable drag and drop editor from 50 lead magnets. These are the reports that you give away to build your list. They give you 50 squeeze pages and thank you pages, 50 video sales letters, free domain and hosting, integration with 23 major autoresponders and Zapier. And of course, Aweber is one of those, and you'll find a link in the description down there where you can get your Aweber account set up, free for the first 30 days, or may cost $1, I can't remember, and then it's only $19.95 a month. Built a free built-in viral traffic solution across 20 social media platforms, collection of high converting ad copies and banners, and downloadable links to the explainer videos for each lead magnet. This is such a powerful package just in the lead generator portion. You don't want to miss this. Now, number two, for lead nurturing, you get all these, I think it's 50 high converting email engagement emails, 50 done for you professionally designed welcome email templates. Those are the most important because the welcome email is the one your clients, your prospects are going to see first and most. The open rates on welcome emails are upwards of 50% if you do them right. I've had mine as high as 75%, and that's good because that's the one they're most often going to see. And then you also get professional video training to show you how to easily schedule your engagement sequence. And this is what, again, builds the know, like, and trust factors in your prospects and clients to get them ready to buy what you're going to offer in the monetization part. And here's the more high value bonuses that are really the key to making money, big commissions. You get 50 high converting products. These are products you can sell. 50 exclusive bonus pages that with giveaways that are designed by the in-house team, by this lead funnels guy. 50 thank you pages, and 50 bridge pages where that force your buyers to provide their email and name in order to collect their bonuses that help you build your list as well. So you see, all three of those things solve all three of your biggest problems in marketing. So stop wasting monthly charges. If you're paying for those high price lead funnel packages like lead pages and leads and funnels and things like that, this will set you up for sales in every category from here on out. You'll no longer be able to say, I can't do this because, fill in the blank for excuse. There's no excuses why you won't be able to make money, because you get everything you need right in this done for you lead funnel package. So down in the description, you'll see the link to this done for you lead funnel. You can get that. Also, my mega bonus, I hadn't even talked about that. Don't want to waste your time with that now, but you can click the link down in the funnel again, or the description again, for my done for you lead funnel bonus package, which is going to give you even more tools and things you can sell. You're going to love this package. Again, it's everything you need to be successful in online marketing. How many times have I banged the table about building your list, getting lead capture pages done, getting people into your autoresponder, nurturing your list, and getting the sale when you get them to know, like, and trust you. So take advantage of this now. It's all in one package here. It's called Done For You, DFY Lead Funnel, and you'll see it at the first link. And again, the bonus package is at the second link. You can look through that and get those right there as well. If you have any questions, you've got my email address. You can leave me a comment on the video here if you got another question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks, and have a great day. I know you will with this Done For You Lead Funnel.